you know what's cooking today? A little French onion soup with whatever I had in the fridge and the cabinets because of the quarantine. We're gonna make the best of it. To get started, you can slice up about 3 to 4 onions in about 5 tablespoons of butter. And you can add salt. And you're going to get these nice and caramelized. So we'll be back in a few minutes to see how they're doing. The onions have been cooking for about 12 to 15 minutes now on high. They are nice and caramelized, so we're ready to do our next step. Put in a few dashes of thyme, just like that. Smells so good, delicious. Now I'll add in some garlic with my garlic press. You can use 3 cloves or 4 cloves. I'm using 5 because we love garlic. So just with your garlic press, squeeze it right into the caramelized onions. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells fabulous. Next, I'm ready to add in some chicken and beef broth. You can use all beef broth or all chicken broth, but since we haven't been to the supermarket, I'm going to use a box of chicken and a box of beef, and it's going to be delicious. So here we go. Just add in your beef broth. Now I'm adding the chicken broth. And then stir. You're going to let this simmer for about a good 20 to 30 minutes and then add one last secret ingredient. Now for my secret ingredient. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I normally use Worcestershire sauce, but I ran out. I didn't go to the supermarket. So since the ingredients are sort of similar, we're going to put in a little bit of this. Just 1 tablespoon. Believe me, it'll be so good. Gives it that little extra kick. Just stir that in. Well, it looks like the French onion soup is all ready. Now for the final touch. Once you serve the soup, you can add some cheese. I don't have Brie cheese, which I normally use, but it's okay. You have to just make the best of it. I have some shredded mozzarella, so I'm just going to top a little shredded mozzarella. I don't have croutons either, so it's okay. It'll still be so delicious. The finished French onion soup looks so good. Can't wait to eat it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again soon. Bye.